Berol. I'm 30 years old and I'm coming from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I had a surgery in 2011, which I was not really happy with the result. So I started to look from doctors all around the world. I looked everywhere. I went to different doctors. Where I was from, like it's from Venezuela and in Dubai. And I was not quite sure or comfortable with any doctor I found until I came across with Dr. Muhammet Dilber, which was just by chance looking in social media, looking in Google, and I found his work. I found that his work was flawless. His patients were really happy with the result. So I decided to come here to Turkey to do the surgery with him. Before I had the first surgery, I had some functional problems, which was the reason of the first surgery in the first place. But after the surgery, I kept having functional problems and I didn't really like the profile of my nose. I didn't really like how it looked like or how it fit my face. So I was looking for improvement along with functionality of the nose. Okay, it has been 11 days since my surgery and I'm really happy with the result. Even though it's a bit inflamed, the result looks perfect, looks fantastic. My family is happy and I'm really happy with the doctor, with the team and with the result of the surgery. Well, I was not able to come here with my family. I have 2 small children, so my husband stayed with them. And I decided to come here by myself. A friend was with me the first couple of days and I was actually worried that the recovery will be maybe very slow or I won't heal enough to be alone for so many days, and it was actually a lot better than I expected. The first days was just uncomfortable because it's a surgery obviously in the face, but with the instructions, with the medicines, with the cleaning and everything that the doctor and his team advised, it was actually not as uncomfortable as I thought it will be, and after a couple of days after, I was perfectly good to do any normal activity. The people here is also wonderful, very respectful, very kind. So it was a very nice experience this last couple of weeks. Well, since 2011 that I did my first surgery, I thought about it so much because I was worried that I will go into another surgery that I won't be happy with the result. So I said to myself that until I don't find a doctor that I'm happy with and that I can trust, I won't go into surgery again. So about 4 years earlier, I started to look for, and a year ago I found Dr. Muhammet Dilber and I said, okay, I'm going to keep seeing his work. I want to see more. I want to get to know better what he does, even if it was from far. And it actually gave me a lot of peace after I saw him because he's a very open, very welcoming person. It made me feel really good the day before the surgery, so it's a decision for sure I would not regret. I could blindly suggest Dr. Muhammet Dilber, and for anyone who needs a surgery, this is the perfect option. He's not only a plastic surgeon, he's an ENT as well. So me that I had problems breathing before, I can assure that now my breathing is 100% better than before the surgery, even though there is still swelling and there is a still healing process to do. But he is a very amazing surgeon. I would for sure recommend him blindly to anyone who needs to go into the same process as me.